Hello, this is Archie from Crafting with Archie and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. I really love this blue and pink and a simple tartan thank you card. So let me show you what I did. The base here is Misty Moonlight and this measures a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then here I have a piece of the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. I'm just going to attach one to the other. Okay, and just try and get it lined up as centre as possible. So there you go. So we're going to set that aside for a second, and we're going to bring in a piece here of Whisper White. It's just a scrap. The stamp set I'm going to use is Best Year. I'm going to be using the sentiment that says thank you for all that you are. And we're going to stamp that in some Misty Moonlight ink. And then we're just going to stamp this in the centre of our piece of paper. Something like that. Lovely. So close up our ink pad, and then we're going to cut this out using the rectangular stitch dies. And I'll show you these. They're one of my favourite die sets. And I can't remember, I know I've told you this many times before, never remember which die I use until I measure it. That's the one I used for the thank you. And then I used the next size up for the Melon Mambo. So I'm just going to put those two through the big shot and I'll be back. Okay, so that's all die cut, and now we can stick one to the other. So I'm just going to do that and mat these two together, and I really love this Melon Mambo against the Misty Moonlight. It's just gorgeous. Now we're going to stick this down to our card base, and I use dimensionals, so let's get these out. And I'm just going to cover the back with dimensionals. As you know, I'm fairly generous with these, so don't be surprised that there's a few going on. Told you I was generous with them, but it is a big piece in my defense. The only thing, as I said so many times, is I don't want to take these little backies off, but can't be that bad because I keep on doing it. Okay, last one, and they're all off. Yippee! So we're going to put this here in the centre, just like that, and we're going to get rid of all these backs of the dimensionals because I like to get rid of them as soon as possible, because if you don't, they seem to migrate everywhere and you find them on the bottom of your sock and on your shoes and all over the place. So I try and get rid of them before they have a chance to do that. There's one still left. Okay, we're going to bring in our ribbon now. This is the gorgeous Seaside Spray metallic ribbon, and we are going to tie a bow using this ribbon, and it is so pretty, and I think it just goes so beautifully with this print. It really does. I really like this tartan print, this blue. It's just gorgeous. I wouldn't mind to have a scarf, or, you know, have this in a material form that I could make something with it. It would just be so pretty. I'd like, yes, a scarf, but even more I was just thinking I'd love it if I had this print in a bag as material, and I'd make a bag. I'd make a Christmas bag for myself. Oh, it would be lovely. I'd be so proud. I'm sure it must be around. I'd have to just go searching on the wonderful internet to look, but I love it. So there we go. There's our little bow. And now I'm going to bring in these fellas, and these are the thank you, not the thank you, the blue adhesive back gems. Okay, and let's see which ones I used here before. I used these ones up here, these small ones. So let's use some of these again. Why not? I think they just provide a lovely finishing touch to the card. So clear the decks. There you go. 2 cards. I love them. I hope you did too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links, including my Facebook group, are in the description box below. Please do check out the Facebook group, because I've started to run an online card club and it's all done in the group. So if you want more information, come to the group and find out all about it. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!